Welcome to Topple Town. Here, we have many famous attractions, such as our beautiful mountains, our lovely beach, the vast countryside, and of course, our high-speed bullet train. Your ride might be a bit delayed, as we may have some chain reactions along the track. We thank you for visiting, and we hope you enjoy your ride.
Hey, thanks for watching. This video is the close-ups for both the train and jungle sections from Reactica 2023. I helped make both of these sections along with the other machine builders who were part of the build team. Please check out their channels if you haven't already. If you want to see the full Topple, you can click here to watch it on Flash Domino's YouTube channel. Our team did great work and I think you'd enjoy it. That's all for today, and I'll see you around.